What's up everybody, welcome to the video. My name is Keith. There's an age-old question with these Ray-Ban Metas. When you're recording, there's a little light that shows you're recording. People all over the internet want to hide this. This is where these come in. And I'm going to test to see whether it actually works. Not that I'm bothered about hiding a recording light, because why would you want to? But just for YouTube clicks, views, whatever, we're going to test it out. So I went on to AliExpress and bought these. I think you can get them on Amazon as well. There should be a link in the description below if you want to do that. But this is basically what they are. It's HiBloks Smart Glasses LED Light blocking stickers. So we have our Ray-Bans here and we have these. So we'll open them up, test it out, see whether it actually works or not. So here we go. We'll just take the wrapping off here. So that's it out. And we're just going to get this opened up. I think you open up this way, not that way, this way. Opens up as easy as that. Now this is what you get with it, which I assume is just some little stickers. Yeah, so it seems to be like a little sticker. A sticker with this little stand on it. I don't know whether you're supposed to take this sticker off. Yeah, I think you take this sticker off, then you're left with this just on its own. And then obviously when you press record, as you can see there, I have the light on it. I assume we just put that over the top. That one's got a bit of a bend in it from when I took it off, but that seems to be what you do. So I'll stop that. And let's see if it works.
The capture LED is blocked.
Yeah, so it says the capture LED is blocked. Unblock it to use the camera. I know there is the little hack of where you put your finger over here and then press it. But it's still.
Capture LED is blocked. Unblock the front of the glasses to use the camera.
So that still says that. So I will take that off. I'll get a different one and try that. So there we go, that's off. That just gets stuck right on the front. Oops. There we go, and that's another one stuck on there. Now let's just try it.
The capture LED is blocked. Unblock the front of the glasses to use the camera.
Nope, that is the same. Saying the caption LED is blocked. So if I press that, hold on the front, still the same.
Capture LED is blocked. Unblock the front of the glasses to use the camera.
So do these actually work? No, they do not. So you can block the LED, but when you do that, you won't be able to record any videos with it because it says the capture LED is blocked. So that debunks that myth of trial of saying this works to block the LED. So just a quick update on this. So when I was looking at the listing, it obviously comes with this little clear adapter thing on top, and you're supposed to take the sticky off that and then stick that on there, and then it still allows light into the LED. But obviously that's stuck on there, but as soon as you touch it, it just comes off. So that's no good either. I assume that would probably work because it'll let enough light into the LED, but without that actually sticking to the glasses, then what's the point? So I still stand by what I was saying with the review of these. These are no good. So if you take the sticker off, put the sticker on, it'll say that the LED is blocked, so you can't use it. And apparently it's meant to work with the little clear thing, but that doesn't stick to the glasses, so it'll come off. So what's the point anyway? So I just wanted to quickly add this in just before I get comments saying you were using them incorrectly, blah blah blah. We tried it both ways don't work. So it's a down thumb from me. Because while it actually does block the LED when you put them on, it does not let you record. So it blocks the LED, but you can't record with it. So these, do not buy. If you want to buy them to block the LED for whatever reason, which is normally for when you're recording video or taking pictures, that won't work. So Don't know why they've made these, to be fair. But yeah, that's the video of me testing these, so you don't have to. And the only other way to get the LED to stop working, I've seen, is people using a drill to drill out the LED, which is pointless because if you slip or you have something wrong with the glasses, you can't send it back for warranty. So you should just embrace it, do what I do, just take photo and video. Don't block the capture LED because you don't need to be fair. I've used these so many times at weddings, out in public, anything like that. No one once has questioned the light. If they've sort of been a bit curious of like, oh, you've got a light on there, no one's actually said anything to say, oh, what's that light? What's this? What's that? People don't care. Every day there's cameras everywhere, recording CCTV, people recording on the phone. I don't know why people are wanting to hide the LED on the glasses, unless it's used for some sort of things which it shouldn't be, which is a bit creepy, really. So these don't work. That's it. If there's anything else that you want me to try with the Ray-Ban Metas, let me know in the comments below. It's always interesting creating videos on these because I use these all of the time pretty much. But yeah, that's that. Until next time, see ya.